Yeah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hazmi bin On. Today's video will be presenting our distillation column prototype. So what is actually distillation? Distillation is basically a separation of a chemical substance, if you want, between alcohol and water, where you can separate the alcohol and vaporize. And how does distillation work? Basically, separation is based on volatility. Basically, what it means is the separation is based on the boiling point of the substance in a liquid, whereby if it's alcohol, it will burn faster than the substance that we want to distillate. Usually in calculation, we'll be using Mercaptan method, whereby the calculation will be based on X and Y, X being the liquid and Y being the gas. And now I will pass on to Ajab to present our distillation prototype.
Assalamualaikum and very good evening to Madam. I will be my name is Muhammad Ashraf. I will be presenting the prototype. So this is the prototype for PET distillation column. This is the boiler, and this is the PET column, and this is the condenser. This is where the pure alcohol is extracted, and this is where the reflux return. So the idea is that the mixture solvent is evaporated through the boiler, through the PET column, and into the condenser. And after that, the pure alcohol will be extracted here, and then everything that haven't been extracted yet returned into the reboiler. Okay, so the dimension is for reboiler, the height is 29.7 cm, and 30 cm. And then the height for PET column is 29.7 cm, and the circumference of PET column is 21.6 cm, and for condenser the height is 22 cm. So yeah, this is the prototype. Thank you.
Increase. How high is it? Go like squat. Is that high? Is that like the highest?
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So my part is last is a conclusion. So after my friends Ashraf and Hazmi explained about the mechanism of the PET column distillation, so I want to talk about advantage. So for PET column distillation, the advantage is it can handle a strong flow fluctuation, and then relatively low pressure drop, and then capable of achieving relatively high mass transfer efficiency, and then it also have a low capital cost, and then relatively small space requirement, and then ability to collect the product as well as gases. Then it is this pack column also have ideal for taking emergency situation. So and then the pack column is can reach high efficiency with a well structured packing. Okay, and then I will add some information for the advantage of the pack column. So pack column are more suitable for handling foaming system, and then for corrosive liquid, pack column will usually be cheaper than equivalent plate column. And then the packing should always be considered for small diameter column, and then like we say less than 0.6 meter, and then where plates will be difficult to install and expensive. So the other advantage of a pack column is a low pressure drop required, small diameter possibility, and then low capital operating and maintenance cost. And then as we know, the pack column is the simple construction. So I will add some more information about the disadvantage. So the first disadvantage is fewer stage compared to the other column, and then channeling, which must be controlled by distributing liquid. So this is a disadvantage of the pack column. And then pack column cannot handle extremely high or low flow rate, so it must be a medium flow rate. And then the pack column cannot handle liquid with a high viscosity, which means high viscosity in the bahasa Melayu we call it likat. And then we need to be preferentially weighted to avoid reduction of the interfacial area to the column ratio. So conclusion, the pack column actually is for the for the industry, the small industry users. So for the medium production of the product, so maybe we can use a pack column if we want to cut the cost. So that's all for my explanation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh.